Welcome to today's episode. We arrived at the Kadidiri resort. We will learn scuba diving today and will improve further our freediving skills at the nicest snorkel places in the Togean Islands. Have fun! Welcome to Indonesia! Sulawesi!
Hello! We just arrived at Kadidiri Resort Island.
Yes, and we are here in the bungalow Sumatra.
Yes, and it's really beautiful.
Wow. Really nice. Small room tour. Very nice. And what I like the most is that I have dry feet as soon as I enter the bathroom. Before, every time we enter the bathroom, we had wet feet.
Yeah.
With sand and everything. Yeah, really nice. Yeah.
And they said it's the biggest resort on the Togean Islands.
Yes.
Yeah.
Currently there are 11 tourists in it, plus we both, so
Yeah.
13.
So we're having in half an hour lunch at 12, and then at 2 we are try diving at the sea at 2 meters.
And more, even I think,
Yeah.
3 meters.
Yeah.
Yeah, just the first try for both of us.
Yeah.
We
And
never
then-
dived before, but
Yeah.
we are excited to do it.
Yeah. And when that is okay, then we go scuba diving
To Una Una.
to Una Una. And look at that view.
What do you feel now?
Good. We actually did our first training sessions for the scuba dive. We trained how to put the mask off under the water, to clean it, and also how to breathe with the equipment under the water. Also, we needed to show the instructor how we behave under the water, if we get panic, if we get stressed, or if we just feel uncomfortable. Furthermore, they did test our stability and balance, so in general, if we are suitable for scuba diving. We did pass all the tests and went for our first try dive with the instructors. A crazy feeling to do it. Unfortunately, we don't have any footage of it because we were really focused on our scuba dive. After a little break, we started our tour to the most beautiful beach in the Togean Islands called Malenge Beach. There's a small beach next to it called Sera Beach. There we went snorkeling, and we can only recommend you this beach. If you go to the Togean Islands, you really need to go to Sera Beach. If you like turquoise crystal clear water, then Sera Beach is the right fit for you. And it's really calm also there. So not a lot of people, you just have the nicest beach on the Togeans for yourself.
When you are like 10 meters, you're not gonna stay 10 meters, you stay
want to float.
Yeah, when we want to floating. Good. Okay.
I pray. Oh my God, I pray. I pray so long time for revolution, yeah. Just for the moment it comes down and I take a deep breath and I feel my head and I feel it just for the moment it comes down and I take a deep breath and I feel my head and I travel top of my life. What's going on? Everybody. And I say, hey, yeah, 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 yeah. I say, hey, what's going on? Yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. I say, hey, what's going on?
Wow. First scuba dive we had today.
First scuba dive.
With Ruben and the complete team. So we will always remember him because it was our first dive together.
First diving together and
Crazy.
Yes.
baik-baik saja. Bila kau terus pandangi langit tinggi di angkasa, oh, tak ada habisnya segala rasa di dunia. Hawa tercipta di dunia untuk menemani saya. Tercipta untuk menemani aku, menemani aku. Jangankan sejenak hati hadirmu di sini. Jaga tenang, dirimu adalah wanita. Bila kau terus pandangi langit tinggi di angkasa, takkan ada habisnya segala hasrat di dunia. Dunia cinta menemani sangat menemani aku, begitu juga dirimu.
In the next episode, we did explore some other islands close to Kadidiri, like for example Salaka Island, and used our last day to relax at Kadidiri before we went further to Una Una. Una Una is really a nice island, especially for diving and to explore the volcano. Feel free to share our fabulous world adventure with your friends and family. Thank you so much!